Welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to install the optional top graphic for the ShowGoer Backlit Counter. So to begin, you want to gather a few things. You will need a scissors, a squeegee, some masking tape, and something to clean the top of your display off with. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the top from the ShowGoer Backlit Counter. And there's two sides to the top. There's a matte side and a glossy side. And I'm going to choose to install the graphic on the matte side because I like the look of the glossy side if I want to use that later. So to start, you want to wipe off any dust or debris on your countertop. Once you have the counter all wiped down, the next thing you are going to do is tape down the graphic. So first I'm going to align the graphic so that it fits on the top. And I like to use masking tape because it doesn't stick to the graphic so it won't hurt the graphic. And you're just simply going to tape it down. And you're going to tape it right in the middle of the graphic because we're going to install half first and then do the other half. It makes it easy so that there aren't any bubbles. So tape down your graphic in the middle. Now that I have my graphic taped down, the next thing I'm going to do is peel one side of the graphic back to the halfway point. Once you reach the halfway point, I'm just going to lay the graphic down and I'm going to cut the backer of the adhesive off. Once I have the backer cut off, I'm just going to set it to the side, and then using the squeegee, I'm going to start pushing down my graphic. So you're just going to hold it at about a 45-degree angle, and starting in the middle, you're going to push down and then work out. It's very important to do this slowly and to work the air bubbles from center to the outside. You also want to make sure that your graphic is staying aligned with the corner and the edges of the counter. And then once you get to the end, you're still going to continue to work the bubbles from middle to the edge, and then right at the end you can push the bubbles out the horizontal way. And then I like to just go over it one last time to make sure all the bubbles are out. So once you've done one final pass over with the squeegee, you're going to do the other side. And as you can see, I have my graphic installed, and the last thing I'm going to do is put it on my backlit counter. Now I have my top back on, and what's great about this top is you can have it graphic facing out, or I can flip it over and use the side that doesn't have the graphic. So it's just that easy to install your top graphic for the ShowGoer Backlit Counter. I'll see you next time for another Quick Tip Tuesday.